एक ओमकार सतनाम
कर्ता पुरख निरपौ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सहपंक गुरप्रसाद।
जप।
जप आद सच जुगाद सच है पी सच नानक नाम होसे पी सच।
अब देखो
मैं-
पूछा मैं हूँ सवाल, जवाब उस फर्श को मिल रहा है जिसकी कोई गलती नहीं। You don't listen to me,
You don't listen to me.
you don't understand me,
You don't understand me.
you don't respect me.
You don't respect me.
Whatever I say,
Whatever I say,
you neglect it.
you neglect.
Whatever you want to be an IAS officer, right?
Yes, sir.
So you want to crack UPSC examination.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. Don't you think that UPSC is quite tough? So can you crack it or not?
I will try. I will try.
आप improve कर रही हो और आप कह रही हो नहीं improve कर रही हो।
So,
Improve।
main point है sir, डर like
ये डर खत्म हो गया। पाजी,
पाजी,
trust me.
trust me.
I can do this.
I can do
Nandini,
this. Nandini,
I will speak better than you.
I will speak better.
Better than you. Mr. जो बोले सोनिहाल,
सत श्री अकाल।
सत श्री अकाल।
Good morning, guys. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Jyoti. I belong to Agra, and I've completed my graduation from Agra University, and I'm completed also B.Ed from Agra University.
That's great. Jyoti, first of all, let me know what's famous and special.
In the Agra, famous Taj Mahal and their Petha.
Petha. There are how many types of petha?
So many types of Petha. There's
So-
Anguri Petha, simple Petha.
Anguri petha, simple petha.
Yes.
There are only two types of petha.
No, sir.
Multiple types
Multiple
of petha.
types of Petha.
Taj Mahal, right?
Yes.
So do you love, yes please, do you love Taj Mahal?
Yes, I love Taj Mahal.
Do you like Taj Mahal?
Yes, I like Taj Mahal.
Who constructed the Taj Mahal?
Shahjahan ne.
शाहजहां ने बनवाया था। बनाया कौन था ताज महल?
Labor
लेबर 20,000।
20,000.
और मेन कौन था बनाने में? अहमद लाहौरी।
Ahmad Lahori.
पाकिस्तान से, लाहौर से अहमद ने बनाया था। मेन कारीगर थे। अंडरस्टूड इट?
Yes.
किसकी याद में बना था?
मुमताज महल के.
मुमताज महल की। मुमताज कौन थी?
मुमताज
मुमताज वाज वाइफ ऑफ
शाहजहां.
अकबर।
नहीं, शाहजहां.
Shahjahan. Very good. Okay, that's fantastic. You belong to Agra,
Yes.
and you said that Taj Mahal is famous and Petha is famous, right? So how many times you go to Agra and you bring Petha?
Sir, I bring Petha.
अब देखो
मैं-
पूछा मैं हूँ सवाल, जवाब उस फर्श को मिल रहा है जिसकी कोई गलती नहीं है। पूछा सवाल मैं, जवाब फर्श को मिल रहा है। सोचिए।
I bring Petha multiple times.
You bring Petha multiple times, but I have never eaten Petha.
Petha.
I should never eat Petha. Why? Is it unhealthy?
No, sir.
Yes.
It's not unhealthy.
So you said I should never eat Petha. आपने कहा ना आपको खाना ही नहीं चाहिए कभी।
No, sir. मैंने ऐसा नहीं कहा कि you should not
Eat.
never eat
Okay.
Petha.
So you said that you have never eaten Petha? No, I have eaten Petha once. I went to see the Taj Mahal. Then I bought half kg Petha. पूरा खा।
पूरा खा गए.
I ate complete. Yes, half kg. पूरा खत्म।
But I don't like Petha.
You don't like Petha?
No.
Do you bring Petha from Agra?
Yes, sir.
So which Petha do you bring? Panchi Petha.
Yes, sir.
You bring Panchi Petha, right?
Yes, sir.
Duplicate हो जो रेलवे स्टेशन पे मिलता है।
No, sir.
हाँ.
Panchi Petha is not duplicated. Anguri Petha is not duplicate. But I don't know what type of
अच्छा, you don't
Petha.
know about the Pethas, right? Okay.
No.
Do you especially like? You don't like Petha. You don't like
No,
Petha,
no,
okay?
no.
Do you like Taj Mahal?
Yes, I like Taj
You like
Mahal.
Shahjahan more or Taj Mahal?
Mumtaz more.
You like Mumtaz more. Very nice, very nice. So Mumtaz was your friend?
लेकिन no, she is not my friend. अगर मुमताज नहीं होती तो ताजमहल नहीं होता.
अगर Mumtaz, if there were no Mumtaz, there were no Taj Mahal. Okay, so it means that you want to give the credit to
मुमताज.
Mumtaz. और अगर शाहजहां ना होता तो बनवाता कौन? Right, अनुष्का? शाहजहां ना होते तो बनवाता कौन ताजमहल? अनुष्का?
अगर मुमताज नहीं होती तो ताजमहल शाहजहां सोचते भी नहीं बनवाने के लिए.
That's the point. Okay, not an issue. I'm gonna speak something and you have to speak something, right? Astha. Astha. Say.
आस्था.
Astha.
आस्था.
You're my sister,
You are my sister.
but
but
you are a very bad sister.
Astha, you are my sister, but you are very bad sister. Because
You don't listen to me,
you don't listen to me,
you don't understand me,
you don't understand me,
you don't respect me.
you don't respect me.
Whatever I say,
Whatever I say,
you neglect it.
you neglect.
Whatever I say,
Whatever I say,
you forget it.
you forget it.
Astha.
Astha,
But trust me,
but trust me,
you are my
you are my sweet.
right. बोला ना. पहले
See,
पहले दर्द दो फिर मलहम लगा दो.
see about to crying.
हाँ नहीं. और मजबूत बनो. Become strong. Yeah. This is a part of speaking, right? Okay. So, my dear people and friends,
My dear people and friends,
I want to develop my English.
I want to develop my
But the
English.
problem is,
But the problem is,
I can't.
I can't
Because when I speak,
because when I speak,
I forget.
I forget.
I don't know what happens.
I don't know what happens.
My mind goes blank.
My mind goes blank.
I speak first sentence,
I speak first sentence,
then second sentence,
then second sentence,
third sentence is gone.
third sentence is gone.
I fumble,
I fumble,
I stuck,
I
I
stuck,
forget.
I forget.
I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do.
This is my biggest confusion.
This is my biggest confusion.
But
But
nowadays,
nowadays,
I have adopted a technique.
I have adopted a technique of
Alternate.
alternate.
If I forget this sentence,
If I forget this sentence,
I choose this sentence.
I choose this sentence.
And if I forget this sentence,
And I forget this sentence,
I choose this sentence.
I choose this sentence.
So
So
now the problem is gone
now the problem is gone.
because I have
Because I have
alternate.
alternate.
All right. So, अब मैं कुछ बोलूँगा आपको उसको बोलना है, right? Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say that it's a great moment because I joined Happiness Institute for a purpose, and the purpose is very simple and very common. The purpose is to develop myself and my English, and I am just doing it because I am working hard and practicing for this, and I think that I can do this.
Ladies and gentlemen, and when I joined,
Continue.
when I joined
Verb.
communication skills, increase communication skills, and I want to increase my communication skills because I want to increase I want to take increasement in my
Say something about your mother. Say something about your mother. Tell something about your mother.
My mother is housewife.
ये क्या होता है?
My mother is very sweet lady in the whole world, and I love my mother very much, and she's so sweet. She's making food for me. She's helped me anywhere.
She helps me.
She helps me anywhere, everywhere, every time,
Every place.
every place.
Yes. She helps me everywhere.
She helps me everywhere.
Okay, that's fantastic. Are you Jyoti?
Yes, I am Jyoti.
Do you have mother?
Yes, I have.
Do you like
mother.
your mother?
Yes, I like.
Is your
my
sister
mother.
Astha? Is your sister Astha?
Yes, my sister is Astha.
Okay, does she eat pasta?
Yes, she is.
Have you taken your nasta?
Yes.
Pura bolo.
Yes, I have.
As
no,
I have-
I am not taking.
I have not taken my nasta.
Yes.
Nasta kiya karo. Okay, do you like these people?
Yes, I like all people.
Do you like Salim?
Yes, I like Salim.
What's his best quality?
His nature?
His
is
nature.
Very good.
Is he sweet?
Yes.
Is he
he's
cute?
He is great. Cute.
Who's Ankit?
Ankit is my classmate. Where is Ankit? He is Ankit.
He's Ankit. Okay, what's his wife's name?
He is not wife.
He is not wife. Okay, what's Mr. Salim's marital status?
Salim is married.
Salim is married. How many wives he has?
He was told
told
me. He told me he has only one wife.
He has only one wife. Unfortunate.
Yes,
Huh?
unfortunate.
For him. Right?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. How many hands do you have?
I have 2 hands,
How many legs do you have?
2 legs.
How much hair do you have? Uncountable. Multiple.
uncountable.
How many eyes do you have?
2 eyes.
Do you like your right hand or left hand?
Both of.
Okay, both. Do you like your family?
Yes, I like.
Do you like
my
this
family.
institute?
Yes.
Are
I
you
like.
excited?
Yes.
Are you
I am.
nervous?
I'm not nervous.
Are you interested?
Yes, I'm.
Is this class interesting?
Yes, this is class.
Can you speak
interesting.
English?
Yes, I can.
Did you
speak
come
English.
yesterday?
Yes, I am coming.
I came.
I came yesterday.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Do you have pets? Do you have pets?
No, I have not paid.
You have. I am not pet.
I have no parents.
Very good.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am here to introduce myself. My name is Nandini and I am pursuing graduation from Delhi University in first year. And my hobbies are dancing and eating food. And my strength is I am very talkative होगा ना
Talkative.
talkative person, but sometimes I'm not
I don't speak.
I don't speak. That's all of.
Okay, very good, Nandini. Oh, what are you told? What's your qualification?
I am pursuing graduation.
You're pursuing
from
graduation from which university?
Delhi University.
Delhi
sir.
University. Which college?
Gargi College, sir.
Gargi College. That's nice. Is it Seoul or just? Is it open?
Solar, sir.
Seoul. What's your subject?
Political honors, sir.
Political honors. Do you like political science?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I like political science.
Do you want to be a politician in future?
No, sir. I want to.
I want to be an IAS.
Yes, sir.
I want to be an
IAS.
IAS officer. Very good. Do you like Modi ji?
Yes, sir. I like Modi ji.
Okay. Do you like? Is he your favorite politician?
His work is good.
His work is good.
So-
Do you like Kejriwal?
I like Kejriwal because he also worked in
Yes. He is giving you pink ticket. He is
Yeah.
giving you right free
Yeah.
electricity.
yes
And you don't like Kejriwal.
water
Yeah.
free buses.
So you should like, right? Okay.
Yes, I like.
What do you want to say about the environment of Happiness Institute, right? So are you really improving your English and with your friends or not? I'm improving.
I'm improving myself, but sometimes I'm not speaking, sir, because I am very agitated and I have some fear to speak
Oh.
on front of you, sir.
In front of you.
In front of
Why?
you,
Am
sir.
I a bhoot?
No, sir.
Am I dangerous?
No, sir.
So why? Like, do you think that I'm dangerous or knowledgeable?
Yes, you are knowledgeable, sir, and I am.
You're a little knowledgeable,
yes,
and
sir.
I am big knowledgeable.
I confident,
My
but
confidence
my
is being
confidence-
developed.
my confidence
Okay,
being.
who is more confident or the most confident here?
Salim, sir.
Hmm?
Abu Shad is also, and both are, but
Both are.
yes, sir.
Both are confident, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Both are confident. Okay. So Nandini, I just want to say that. What do you think about girls' education? Like the girls should study or not?
Girls leave at home, and girls can't do anything like.
Okay. So you like the society says it's
Yes,
called
sir.
patriarchal society, right?
Yes, sir.
So
But
it
my
happens in the
parents, sir, is very supported me and supports me, and they always pushed me go and do it.
So your parents, means your father or your mother does this?
They both.
They both. Very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
What do they say that Nandini go and study and do something good in your life?
Yes, sir. And my father is always talking me.
My father always talks to me,
talks
tells
to me, and our society is not good, so be safe and कुछ ऐसा करो कि लोग आपका नाम लें लेकिन अच्छे तरीके से, ऐसा
कुछ
कुछ.
ऐसा करो कि आप लोग का नाम लिया जाए लेकिन अच्छे तरीके
अच्छे
से.
तरीके
You
से.
should have respect in the society.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you want to be an IAS officer, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you want to crack UPSC examination.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. Don't you think that UPSC is quite tough? So can you crack it or not?
Sir, it is very tough exam, and I tried to crack this, but
I will try.
I will try. I
मैं
will
try
try.
करूंगी.
I will
Okay.
try.
Are you doing studies?
Yes, sir, I'm doing study.
Are you doing studies of NCERT books and all books?
Yes.
You're doing
Okay.
it?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So are you interested in studies?
Sir, I'm interested in study. Interested in study.
Very nice. Okay. Do you like Shinu, your friend? She's
Yes.
using Instagram now.
Yes, sir, she's using
Huh?
Instagram.
So yeah, how many followers do you have?
How many followers do you have?
Morning, all of you. My name is Asta. I'm from Agra. Now I'm currently living in Noida. I have completed 12th pass. 12th. Now I'm pursuing graduation first year. My hobbies are traveling and
Why are you here? What is the purpose behind this or behind coming to Happiness Institute?
sir, I improving my
पूरा
communication.
जोर से बोलो, जोर से.
Sir,
I
I
want to
com-
improve.
I want to improve my communication skills.
Very nice. So, Astha, so how will you develop? So now, here I want to understand that how will you exactly change yourself? What will you? Yeah, okay, let me ask you some random questions. Right? Are you Astha?
Yes, I'm Astha.
What are you doing in Happiness Institute campus?
I'm improving my communication
You're
skills.
improving your communication skills. Okay,
Yes,
that's
sir.
great. So, are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Very nice. Okay, can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Wow, it's fantastic. Astha,
Yes,
so do you attend class daily?
No, sir, I'm not.
I don't.
I don't attend class.
Do you like
daily.
black color?
Yes, I like black and white color.
Okay, very nice. So you like the you like the combination of black and white, or you like only black and only white?
Sometime combination, then sometime only black, full and white.
Okay, only black and only white.
Okay.
Okay. So Astha, tell me that I think you want to be a cabin crew, right?
Yes, sir.
So why have you made this plan, and do you think that you can be a cabin crew?
Okay, sir. Before 2 years,
Okay.
I want to become a
Cabin crew. Okay.
Then this time शायद ही मेरे को नहीं लगता कि मैं कर पाऊंगी सर. I don't know. I think sir, because my communication is not good.
Your communication is improving, lady.
Then I'm decided before 6 months before
Huh?
I'm decided.
I decided
Then join.
develop your confidence and develop your communication skills, right? Because you are here to improve it. And you are saying, no, my communication is not developing right. Why is
Yes,
it
sir.
there? You should not say that. Okay. I'm going to speak something and you have to speak the same things
Okay,
right
sir.
now. But first of all,
Okay,
listen
sir.
to me. I think that I can improve my communication because I have joined Happiness Institute.
Okay.
And my purpose was to be a cabin crew. And I have not cancelled my plan. Still, I have the same plan to be a cabin crew.
Okay.
And I think that I can do this and I can achieve it. Hello, dear friends. My name is Abdullah and I have a plan to be a cabin crew. And I'm improving my communication skills. And I believe that absolutely I can crack cabin crew.
I have plan to cabin crew
To crack or to be.
to crack cabin crew interview. So I will try. So I will try. Then my communication, my work on my body.
अब देखो जैसा अंदर से डर लगेगा ना, चेहरा अजीब सा बनेगा. चेहरा जो अजीब सा
I know,
शर्माहट वाला, डर वाला आ रहा है, उसको नहीं
Yes,
लाना.
sir.
So I can do it.
I can do it.
I can do it
I can do it
because
because
I am punctual.
I am punctual.
I will come daily,
I will come daily.
and I promise to myself
I promise to
I
myself.
will improve my communication.
I sorry, sir.
I will
I will
improve
improve
my communication.
my communication.
I will
I will
develop my confidence.
I will develop my
I
confidence.
will
I will
develop
I
my
will
body language.
I will my develop body language.
I will
I will
speak
I will speak
effective English.
effective English.
अब आप क्या क्या करोगी ये बताओ अब से.
Okay.
I will क्या क्या करोगे
Okay.
जोर से.
Okay, I will try.
Yes.
I will try my confidence
Okay.
work for
Body
my
language.
confidence on my body, and I will try
Yes.
improving my skills.
Yes.
Okay, then I'm 6. Then I'm 6. After 6 months,
Yes.
I will try my interview.
Yes.
So
Okay. Very nice.
It
Very-
is my plan.
आप improve कर रही हो और आप कह रही हो नहीं improve कर रही हो.
So
Improve.
main point है sir, डर like
ये डर खत्म हो गया.
I think I'm in 10th and 12th and CBSE board. Then my teacher is extra class 2 hours. Then English class. So then every time talking in English 2 hours, but
You did not understand.
did not understand. And
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Seenu. I live in Delhi. I have completed my 12th class, and my hobbies are playing badminton
लोगों को देख के बोलो, लोगों को देख के बोलो.
Cooking food, listening music.
Listening to.
Listening to music.
Okay, Shinu,
Yes, sir.
your hobby is listening to music, right?
Yes.
What type of musics do you like to listen?
I like to listening Arjit Singh and Neha Kakkar.
Neha Kakkar and Arjit Singh. Very nice. What's your favorite song?
तुम जो आए.
तुम जो आए जिंदगी में बात बन गई.
हाँ.
ये अरिजीत सिंह
Yes,
है?
sir.
नहीं
No,
तो?
sir. Arjit Singh नहीं.
ये तो 90s का song है.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay, that's fine. So, are you learning English?
Yes, I learned English.
From where?
Happiness Institute.
Okay, so are you developing your English?
Yes, I develop.
I am developing.
I am developing.
Is she your friend?
Yes, she is my friend.
What's her name?
Nandini.
Where is she from?
She is from UP,
She's from UP. Where are you from?
Bihar.
You're from Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Which part of Bihar do you belong to?
Kathiyar.
Katihar. Did you come yesterday?
Yes, I came yesterday.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो.
Yes, I came yesterday.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Are you Shinu?
Yes, I am Sinu.
Do you like your name?
Yes, I like my.
Do you like your personality?
Yes, I like my.
Do you like your
personality.
parents?
Yes, I like my
Do you like
parents.
Sadaf ma'am?
Yes, I like Sadaf ma'am.
Do you like Nandini?
Yes, I like Nandini.
Do you like Rasmalai?
Yes, I like Rasmalai.
Do you like Hathon ki Kalai?
Yes, sir, I like.
I like. Okay. So Shinu, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
That do you want to improve your English, or it's just like that you're coming here? Do you want to improve your English, or just like that you're coming here?
I want to.
I want to.
I
I
want to.
want to improve.
I
Okay.
want to improve.
So are you improving?
Yes, I am improving.
Are you improving?
Yes, I am
अब
improving.
जोर से बोलो. Yes, I want to improve.
Yes, I want to improve.
I'm here
I am here
to improve my English,
to improve my
to
English,
improve my confidence,
to improve my
to
confidence,
improve my personality,
to improve my
to improve my communication.
to improve my communication.
Baji,
Paji,
trust me.
trust me.
I can do this.
I can do
Nandini,
this. Nandini,
I will speak better than you.
I will speak better,
Better than you. Mr. Suresh,
Mr. Suresh,
I will speak
I will speak
better than you.
better than you.
Better and you need better than you.
Better than you.
I will speak
I will speak
the best.
the best.
I will be
I will be
the most confident,
the most confident,
the best speaker.
the best speaker.
Please give a huge round of applause for him.
My name is Dinesh Singh. I belong to Uttar Pradesh district Amroha, but I live in currently Anand Vihar Gurdwara, and I worked in Gurdwara, and my qualification is diploma of physiotherapy from Muradabad. My hobby is playing cricket.
Okay, that's great, Paji. Come on, that's fantastic. Welcome to Happiness Institute, right?
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Dinesh Singh.
Okay, जो बोले सोनिहाल
सत श्री अकाल.
सत श्री अकाल. Okay, that's fantastic. एक ओमकार सतनाम.
कर्ता पुरख निरपौ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सहपंक गुरप्रसाद.
जप.
जप आद सच जुगाद सच हैप्पी सच नानक नाम होसे पी सच.
Very nice, fantastic. Great. That you are here for English language, right?
Yes sir.
To develop your confidence in English.
Yeah, I developed my confidence English and build my confidence.
Okay.
Build my strengthening.
Okay.
I want to become a good speaker.
Very nice.
Speaker.
You want to be Punjabi speaker, Hindi speaker, English speaker.
I want to be a good English speaker.
You want to be good English speaker. That's fantastic. So, Paji, tell me that after joining Happiness Institute, are you really developing your English?
Yes, sir. I
am
joining the Happiness Institute after very well.
Okay, after that you are improving yourself.
Yes, sir.
Very nice, very nice. Can you speak English?
Yes, I
Can.
learn. Can you?
Can you speak English? Yes, I can.
Yes, I can speak slowly English.
Slowly English. Do you
Yeah.
try?
Yes, I am trying.
You're trying. Do you need English?
Yes, I am very need English.
I need English. Do you want to improve English?
Yes, I am improving.
I
English.
want to improve
I
English.
want to improving English.
My dear friends,
My dear friends,
my name is Dinesh Singh,
my name is Dinesh Singh,
and today
and today
I believe
I believe
this day
this day
is gonna create history.
is gonna create history.
This day
This day
is gonna
make
make a history
a history
of my mystery.
of my
Mystery.
mystery.
Because I believe
Because I believe
I can improve myself.
I can improve myself.
I can
I can
develop myself.
develop myself.
Whatever I have to do,
Whatever I have to do,
I will do.
I will do.
Because I believe
Because I
in
believe
the power of gurus.
in the power of Gurus.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji,
Guru Nanak Dev Ji,
who gave us motivation and inspiration.
who gave a motivation and inspirations.
And if I have motivation,
And if I have a motivation,
I can do
I can do
whatever I have.
whatever I have.
I can do
I can do
whatever I want.
whatever I want.
अब आंखों में देखिए सबको, जो भी करना चाहते हैं आपके पास 30 सेकंड है, सबकी आंखों में देखकर बता दीजिए जो भी करना चाहते हैं.
I want to like everyone.
I want to like everyone,
Yes.
and I want to
I want to
speak good English.
I want to go to everyone speaker English.
Okay.
And